So I just got this horn, 6 sound horn off of eBay. I plugged it up to my drill battery and we're gonna test it out. Light came on. Got the Dan you can talk in here. Move, bitch, get out the way. Move, bitch. Move, bitch, get out the way. Yep. So this is the next install on the motorized bike. I can turn that bitch up louder. This horn. Yeah, this shit go way louder than that though. I got the volume on low. But yeah, this shit go hard. So everybody know, get this shit if y'all want to be safe, especially if you ride at night, because people cannot drive and they don't give a fuck about people on bikes. But with this shit, everybody gonna know I'm coming down the street. Move, bitch, get out the way. Yep.